get this ball. Come get this ball. Come on. Come get this ball. Come get this ball. Come get this ball. Come on, that's the worst defense ever. Today's Friday. I'm out here shooting some hoops with the DOG, BUBBA to the JOE. Hopefully we can get a load out of here today or this weekend because my funds are running low and I got to go. We'll figure it out one way or another. We'll make it work. Right, Joe? Right? And tell the people. We're going to make it work. We got the power of the Joe. Oh yeah, this is my, this is like the neighborhood I grew up in actually, here in Sarasota, Florida. It's called Bee Ridge Park, and a lot of good memories playing ball out here as a kid. I actually worked out here. I ran summer camps for the county for a few years. Was a counselor as well. Did all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm just here today wasting some time, shooting some hoop. Let's show them what we can do, Bubba. Huh? What you think? You want to show them what we can do? You can play defense? All right, ready? All right. Yeah, you go to the right. Yeah, you block me to the right. You know I'm going to go to the right, but it's okay because I got that bucket. I'm going to edit that out. You go get the ball, Bubba. Go get it. See if he brings it back. I doubt it. But Florida sucks, man. Everyone's taking low rates to get out of here because a lot of stuff comes to Florida, but not a lot of stuff goes out compared to how many drivers are here, you know? Just got to roll with the punches. And hopefully we can get out for a decent rate. You know? The goal is if you're going to take a cut, you know, a low rate coming out of Florida, just try to get to Georgia or something like that. Just get out of here and you should be okay. If that's true, I'll make this shot right here. Because you don't want a long trip for like 80 cents, you know what I mean? So if I make this, I'm telling the truth. Woo! Got him. Tell him, Bubba. You got it? You got it? You good? Last time that we tried to get out of Florida, we got out for about $1.03 a mile, which I could dig that. But, you know, it's just slim pickings. We got a short one yesterday from Tampa to Clearwater, just a pallet of bricks. Didn't pay much, but put a few dollars in my pocket. And that was a brick. But yeah, I mean, what are you going to do, you know? It's not my van. Not much I can do other than what they want me to do with it. So just praying that, you know, something will work. You know what I mean? One way or another, we'll get out of Florida and get the wheels turning. Because if the wheels ain't moving, you ain't making no money. And Bubba's bored. You know what I mean? He smelled all the smells around here. So he's ready to hit the road and be a road dog again. Oh, yeah. And the mechanic hit me up today. He took the motor out, inspected it. He's already seen that, you know, there's a few things like the thermostat that needs to be replaced, seals for the water pump, things like that. Small stuff, but it does add up, you know, $400 here, $300 there. He's still going over it and he's getting back to me as he goes, but he's going to change everything that he sees that needs to be changed, which, you know, I'd rather have him do it now than later on. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated.